Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another update video. I'm at Toys R Us right now, the one in Langley, and they just got a restock of the new Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous Savage Strike figures, and this new box, or not new box set, this one they had before. They also restocked the baby indominus figure, which is pretty cute, and then a boatload of these sets, quite a lot of them. Also blind bag figures. There's an assortment there, but most surprisingly they've got a few, I think like 3 of the new plesiosaurus, which is pretty hard to track down at the moment up here in Canada. The only problem is they're $20, and these little attack pack guys with the Pteranodon, I think Bumpy's back there too, and the Dimorphodon, they're 15. The ones at Walmart are 17, but like plus tax, the ones at Walmart come out to 20, so these ones are going to be like 23 or 4 or something. So very pricey, very, very pricey up here in Canada. See the box set there is like 65, the brachio, but I'm glad to have scored this guy at Walmart, but I totally would have, of course, paid this price for him. There's not really any other figures. There's Charlie here, and then like I said, somewhere in here they had Bumpy, Dimorphodon, Gallimimus, and the new Pteranodon. So I'd say get it at Walmart. This one they don't have at Walmart. This one's, I think, just at Toys R Us. It's pretty cute. 34 for this guy. And they're coming out with a new version of this, I think it's the same lineup, the Carnotaurus. So that's pretty cool that they have this one in stock here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.